next to this guy. I'm like, bro, use the indicators. I don't know where I'm going.
Oh no, I heard that.
I'm guessing at this point.
What indicators?
Alright, we're at Lakemba markets, boys. This is a lot of people, bro. Holy moly. Get something to eat, boys. If anybody sees the pizza cones, let me know.
fresh lemonade, fresh lemonade, fresh lemonade. الربع الطيب يا طيب. Are you recording me?
Yeah.
Did I give you consent?
Yes, you did. Thanks.
Next waiting.
That's probably the best place to go.
This one?
Lebos go, I gotta give it to Lebos. They go off when it comes to barbecue.
They smell good, bro. I'll eat that. That's the one, pizza cone.
I can't remember where that falafel was. It was the best falafel I've ever eaten in my life.
We can go have a look.
Are you gonna bring it back in up there, or if it's down there? If it's there.
Tell you about Diddy.
Did he do it?
Did he do it?
You reckon Diddy did it? Did he did it?
Did he did it?
Did he done?
Did it done did it?
No, I didn't get it.
You've seen the allegations? You haven't seen? Can I please get the... Which one's better, meat lover or peri peri?
I go meat lovers every day.
Meat lover pizza cone.
Can you pay ID?
Very nice. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Cheers.
Nobody does it better, guys. Come and try. Don't be shy. $10. Give me $10. What money there? Biggest scammer of Lakemba. Oh my goodness! Oi, 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 oi! Oi, 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 oi! Yummy, yummy, yummy! Oh la la!
What do you ride?
That's 1K.
No way. How long you been riding?
My whole life?
Your whole life, since 1 year old?
Earlier.
No gear.
Maybe.
Do you wear gloves?
Yeah, sometimes.
That's all right.
Gloves, no gear? Me too.
I came on the beach. What do you ride?
I got a CB650.
Nice.
It's all right. Does the job.
Exactly.
Yeah,
You're filming all these.
I am. Can you give us a front double biceps? Yeah, we're going around today. We're asking people that will ride what bikes they ride.
CB650, what do you ride?
650 CB. That's all right. How long have you been riding? 2 years. On your red peas, green peas,
I'm gonna get
reds.
suspended soon though.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Why? What'd you
I
do?
went like 10 over when I was going to work.
10 over. Any speeding offence is a loss of license on red peas, right? Fair enough. How long? 3 months?
I'm riding. Wait, am I on camera?
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm not riding. I'm a good girl.
3 months?
3 months.
That's all right. What's your dream bike?
I like the
Panigale?
Panigales. Yeah, my brother's got one.
Can you reach it?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah? That's pretty good. What's your name?
Jasmine.
Thanks for being cool. Have a good night.
Turning over.
Turning over.
Pathetic.
If you're gonna get caught, do it right?
50 plus.
50, bro, I
It's
got
on the spot or don't come back with your bike.
So, what's your name, bro?
Danny.
Danny? What brings you out to the Lakemba market?
I wanted to try the pizza cones.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
Where's that?
right there.
Did you have some already?
I did.
Yes. Upping up the price too much as well. So,
Oh, it's pretty expensive. It was like 16 bucks for a pizza cone, mate.
oh, mate, that's tough.
Yeah,
So, what there was this?
it's a GoPro.
Well, what are you recording?
Motovlog.
Motor vlog?
I have a question for you, yeah?
Hit me.
For example, you take a girl out for a date, yeah?
Yeah,
If she sleeps with you the first night, like, are you gonna marry a type of girl?
definitely not, bro. She's for the streets.
Like this? Very good, very good. Very good answer. All right, mate, so I think we're taking up too much of your time, so...
Nah, you're right.
You can get on with your
It's
day.
all right. Any more and I'll start charging you.
Yeah, honestly, yeah. Yeah, mate, have a lovely day.
You too.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
walking next to this guy, taps him, bloke's looking at him, I'm like, what? Yeah?